Figured we'd take a quick swing by the showgrounds here and just see what it looks like right now. What do you think about that, Sophie? She got her nails done today. Alright, looks like we got a few people here. You see a puppy there, so someone playing the banjo. We'll have to put the drone up and see what it looks like then. I'll be right back. And there's a big tent. As you can see, more and more motorhomes are coming in every day for the show. You can see them all down there in the vendor area, about the center of the screen there right now. There's Kuhn Street, and then the vendor area there. Looking up the Tyson Wash there. And across the near side of the interstate and Quartzsite and the different RV parks. Another RV park off towards LA to the west there. There's Q Mountain and up Tyson Wash. And you can see La Posa there. LTVA, the closest one there. I think that's north. Again, you see the vendor area here. Back to the east towards Phoenix. You see traffic on the interstate, about average for a Friday. You can see a few people on Kuhn Street. Kind of an overcast day, but wasn't too bad. I suppose we should bring this down now. Well, remember to like, share, subscribe, and I thank all the brand new subscribers. I appreciate you. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. Gave you a quick thumbs up here, wave, whatever. And you have a great day. Bye-bye.